Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how AI helped my client make 60K in 5 months, and the client was actually my own family member, and I got them to 6 figures by the end of the year. I just want to share my story in hopes of inspiring you. If you're watching this video, if you're in a tough situation, if you lost your job, to just give you some hope, insight, action items, words of encouragement, and hopefully you can get some better results. So just imagine, you lost your job overnight. No warning, no backup plan, just a stack of bills, family depending on you. And that's exactly what happened to someone close to me. The world's really changed. AI is taking over, remote work is the future, traditional jobs, things are changing, the government, you name it, the world as we know it, it's a lot different. It's no longer safe, it's no longer reliable. It's no longer stable working for some of these companies. You see mass layoffs, every month, every year, all these big companies. There's no more pensions like before. And honestly, owners and managers just don't have your back, your best interests, like our parents and grandparents, generations before. But instead of, panicking, you need to learn how to utilize what we have, like technology and AI, to become better and take advantage of, the remote and gig economy. And, you too can land high-paying projects, on Upwork, on Fiverr, other freelance sites, other jobs, other ways of making money. And in this video, I'll actually break down the exact, AI-driven, Upwork strategy that we used, and so you can apply it too. And just in 5 months, they made 60K, 6 figures in 1 year. So let me show you a little bit how, and tell you a little bit more about our story. So like I mentioned before, this was a family member of mine, and they were laid off, completely blindsided. They had no experience freelancing, no clue where to start, didn't know what Upwork was, and they needed money, they needed fast. They had bills to pay, they had family, they had kids. We turned to leveraging technology, leveraging digital marketing, AI to help us, land more of these jobs and accelerate their success. And within months, following a strategic system, not giving up, learning through the process, they were making more than their old 9-to-5 job, gaining that freedom, control over their income, and it felt great to just be able to pay their bills. And I'm going to share with you some of these action items that they focused on. I'll share more details in another video, but within this video, it's more of just a raw, uncut, personal experience story that the goal is hopefully to inspire you. But here's some actionable steps that you can take. So step one, you can actually look for, higher paying jobs, higher paying gigs within the platform, Upwork specifically. So leverage the power of AI and the job searches to discover jobs that you have experience in, whether it's customer service, sales, digital, if you're good at writing, whatever it may be, technology, IT, healthcare, whatever it is, phone work. If you're good at something, most likely they're going to have a job out there, and there's a lot of US companies willing to pay good money for good US workers. And if you're overseas, it doesn't matter either. It's a global economy now. I have team members from all over the world, and I work with top team members from all over the world, from Asia, Latin America, India, Philippines, US, New York, California, Silicon Valley, you name it. So people are always just looking for good workers. So you have to utilize AI to find these hidden gems within the platform. Step two, write winning proposals leveraging AI. So you want to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, all these other platforms, tools to craft winning proposals. And you can do this pretty much essentially within seconds to get responses. We have specific things that we leverage that worked good for us. So that comes to step three, is create templates, create high converting templates, and automate your outreach and follow-ups in the process. So this is one of the biggest reasons why a lot of freelancers, a lot of people who use Upwork and these platforms fail, because they don't know how to automate the process. So that's where AI comes in, and we actually use a combination of templates plus real-time AI-driven copy. But you have to make it more personalized. So you want to personalize it, automate it, and then use templates. And there's a specific process you can do that. So those are some key things that you can implement right now to what you're doing to get a little bit better results. And I just want to share with you guys that I've seen firsthand how scary it is when your income disappears overnight. And I've also seen how technology and AI can turn this around fast for growth. And you don't really need to be an expert at this stuff. You just need the right strategy. You just need to keep going and don't give up. There was tough times in that process where I saw this family member crying, sad, depressed. They felt like there was no way out, there's no option. But through perseverance, not giving up, essentially not giving a shit, they want to prove it to themselves and prove it to others and be there for their family. And that's what they did. And within 12 months, they hit a 6-figure salary, more than what they were making at their previous 9-to-5 job. And I just want to let you guys know that you guys can do it too. If you're struggling, if you're going through some tough times right now, you can do it too. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. We'll share more in-depth steps in the next video if you guys found value in this. If you want me to dive deeper into these Upwork strategies and tactics with the exact templates, the tools we use, then drop a comment below. I'd love to learn a little bit more about you, where you're from, what are you struggling with, what do you need help with. And if enough people ask, then I'll do a full detailed training on this. And if you're serious about changing your life for the better, or just making some extra money to pay the bills, then I might share deeper insights and downloads, and give you guys some more resources. So if you like these AI tip videos and growth tips, raw real lifestyle talks, hit the subscribe button, watch our next videos here, and I got more coming. So once again, this is Luca. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.